Hey guys, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Here in class today, we're going to start on a new topic. We're going to be talking about nucleosynthesis along with the Big Bang. Hope you guys did good on your tests yesterday. Overall, it was not too bad. So we're going to start right away here. I got a little video here I'm going to show you. This is from a show called WKRP in Cincinnati from a long time ago, from when I was little, but kind of gives us a review of the nucleus and talks about some protons, neutrons, and electrons to give you guys a little refresher on that. So I'll play this here and make it big screen and give us some sound.
It's different. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. In school, they got geometry and English, biology. I just don't understand the thing about it, man. I just don't get any of it.
Well, what about chemistry?
That's the hardest one.
Did they teach you anything about the atom?
The atom, year after year, and I don't know the first thing about it.
I can give you the basics of the atom in 2 minutes. You'll understand it perfectly and remember it for months.
2 minutes? You're crazy, you know that?
If I can teach you about the atom in 2 minutes, will you go back to school and finish out the year? How about it, huh? Come on, you're a betting man. How about it, Arnold?
Yeah. Yeah, okay, sure. You got it.
I got your word.
Yeah, you got my word. In 2 minutes.
We got a deal.
Yeah, you got a deal.
All right, sit down.
Okay.
There are 3 gangs on the street, right?
Yeah, 3 gangs.
And this right here is the territory. Now, here is the neighborhood. Got that?
Yeah.
And right in the middle of this neighborhood is a gang called the New Boys.
Yeah, the New Boys. Good name.
Okay. Out here on the outside of the neighborhood, on the edge of the neighborhood, is another gang. You know, these are real negative dudes. Really negative, right?
Right.
Now, they call themselves the elected ones.
All right, the elected.
You got that? Really negative. They don't like nothing. See?
Right.
Now, they all the time out here circling around the neighborhood, just circling, you know? Checking out the New Boys. Now, the New Boys see this. And they get, they figure there's something wrong here, so they make a deal with another gang. A gang of very happy-go-lucky guys. They call themselves the Pros. The Pros. Now, the Pros are very positive cats. You see, they got all the good-looking women, right?
Yeah.
Right. See, now the Pros and the elected ones, the interesting thing, they hate each other. So much so that they keep the same number of members in the gang, just in case you did.
Right.
So if I got 10 elected ones, how many Pros do I have?
10.
All right. Now, how many gangs do I have?
3.
Name
The New Boys, the elected ones, and the Pros.
All right. Who's here?
The elected ones?
All right. Now, what are they, negative?
Yeah, negative.
All right. Now, who's positive?
The Pros, and you running out of time.
All right. Now, you see right here? The Pros and the New Boys, they call their hangout the nucleus. Yeah. Now, see, that's a real tough word. It's Latin. But I kind of think it's Swahili, and it means center.
Yeah? What is it?
It's nucleus. Say it.
Nucleus. Is that really African?
Say it.
Nucleus.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right. Give you another Swahili word. It's tron. It means dude.
Yeah, Tron. Dude.
All these gangs like that name so well that they all decide to use it. For instance, the Pros right here in the middle start calling themselves protons. And the New Boys, well, they start calling themselves neutrons. And out here on the edge here, the elected ones, they start calling themselves the
The electrons, the protons, and the neutrons.
Yeah. And all this right here, this is the neighborhood. This is block after block of nothing. You understand block after block of nothing, don't you?
Yeah, I know all about that. And your time is up, Professor DJ.
Good. I was finished anyway. Now you go on back to school.
School? Man, all I know about is a bunch of damn gangs that live in a round neighborhood.
Arnold, that's the atom. That's it, man. That's it. What's this right here? Huh?
Protons and neutrons.
All right, and they call this the what?
Nucleus.
All right, what are these guys up here?
Electrons.
Are they negative or positive?
Negative.
And how do they move?
Round and round.
And if I got 2 of them, how many protons do I have?
2.
Now, protons negative or positive?
Positive.
All right, and what's all this right here?
Oh, that's the neighborhood.
Which is?
Nothing.
You got it, man. You get an 8.
So right there, a great video to kind of give us a refresher on the atom, protons, neutrons, and electrons from show when I was growing up, WKRP in Cincinnati. So we have one more video for you guys, and we're going to go to that. And here's my favorite effect. We'll go to that video here. This one's going to kind of bring us into our topic of nucleosynthesis, so let me get some sound here. And let's make this bigger for you guys. I look super old in this effect.
After Threshold 2, the universe had lots of stars, but most of space was still cold, dark, and mostly empty. The universe consisted almost entirely of two types of atomic matter, hydrogen and helium. These were both light gases, and one of them was totally inert. Like a painter with just two colours, one of which won't mix, it was impossible to make anything very interesting. The universe needed more colours, more chemical elements, and that was the work of Threshold 3. Making new elements meant fusing more protons and neutrons together. To do that, you needed very high temperatures, which could only be found inside massive stars that were aging or dying. Only they have the right Goldilocks conditions for Threshold 3. Why? Well, large stars have so much mass that they can create enormous pressures and temperatures. Those temperatures get cranked even higher when large stars run out of hydrogen. When that happens, fusion stops at the center and the star collapses like a burst balloon. If the star is big enough, the collapse is huge, creating such high temperatures that helium nuclei can fuse into nuclei of carbon. When the star's used up its helium, it collapses again, and the cycle starts over. The star heats up and starts to fuse carbon to form oxygen. It collapses again, then does the same to create other elements like silicon, nitrogen, and eventually iron. If it's a really, really big star, it'll finally die in what's called a supernova. That's an explosion so hot and so energetic that, for a while, it'll shine like an entire galaxy, and it'll produce enough heat to form all the other elements of the periodic table. Then the supernova scatters these new elements into space, and voila! We have a universe with lots of different elements. Threshold 3 was crossed for the first time when the first large star died. And it's still being crossed today, as billions upon billions of large stars die, scattering the raw materials needed to build wondrous new forms of complexity.
Alright guys, so that is kind of where we're going to start today. We're not going to go through all those elements and everything with stars and the death of the star. We're kind of going to start off with the lightest elements, okay? And about Big Bang nucleosynthesis. So have a great day. First hour, I'm not there, but I'll be there after first hour. Have a great, great day. Hope you guys rocking your camouflage today. As you can see, I got my camo on right here. Gonna paint up the face a little bit. Have a good homecoming week. Later.